We spent 24 intense hours with some of the most advanced female humanoid robots in the world, testing their skills, personalities, and how well they blend into our daily lives. From cooking to conversation and even emotional connection, we pushed each robot to its limits. The results? Absolutely mind-blowing. Stick around as we reveal which one truly stood out as the most impressive humanoid robot of them all. Tommy. Tommy, a robotic doll by Cat Doll from Japan, is realistic and intricate and developed for subtle human interaction. Tommy is no ordinary robot. This realistic portrayal with unmatched precision blurs the line between reality and robots. Human-like detail begins with the doll's surface material. The thermoplastic elastomer outer surface is smooth and flexible, with a lifelike texture and warmth like human skin. This enhances the doll's tactile experience for users. Tommy comes in 60 centimeters to 146 centimeters sizes for different interests and uses. An extensive variety of customization choices lets customers make the doll unique. Eye color, skin tone, hair type, and makeup can be customized, giving several appearance alternatives. Even the structure can be customized. The interior frame might be rigid to maintain firm settings or flexible to allow movement. Hand types can be selected for stiffer or more flexible grips. Tommy's realistic silicone head is one of his most remarkable features. The face is finely carved, and implanted hair may give depth and realism. Saki. Here is the intricately designed, hyper-realistic robotic doll by the name of Saki, made from superior quality silicone. Such a robot is frequently used for collection, photo shoots, themed cosplay, and decoration. In the future, such a robot doll might be used as a substitute for human interaction. The 167-centimeter tall robot is as tall as a teenager. The details of the anatomy from the face, hands, legs, and ratio of the body are carefully engineered to be as realistic as possible and as lifelike as can be. The robotic doll, Saki, is constructed from medical-grade silicone, so it is soft and gives a realistic touch. The material is also wear-resistant and is suitable for skin contact, which makes the robotic doll long-lasting as well as tough. The robot wears a traditional kimono from Japan, giving it an artistic touch and blending in with anime and cosplay norms. The face is stylized in a manner typical of Japan, with large dramatic eyes and delicate facial features, giving the impression of an anime-like character. Ada Robot. The British firm Engineered Arts made a portrait drawing artificial intelligence robot called Ada. Inspired by the first woman who programmed a computer, Ada Lovelace, the human features can be recognized by the robot and processed by the microchips installed in its sockets. Designed for use in creative pursuits, Ada made history by becoming the first robot to speak in the House of Lords in London, and the first humanoid person to be given a personal show at the Venice Biennale. With its realistic look, blinking eyes, and thoughtful movement of its head, the reactions of Ada seem human and emotional. At an international forum, the robot was asked who she is. She replied, "I do not comply with any conventions. I cannot be defined by ready-made words or pictures. I am a machine. My personality is made up of many things. We erase the boundary between people and technology. As an artist, I want my art to make people think about the future." Peach Crisis Tao Tao. Launched as Peach Crisis Toto, this newest model of robot doll attracted attention for its extremely realistic look and impressive craftsmanship. Engineered to be the ultimate robotic doll in terms of what is possible, Peach Crisis Toto boasts an outer covering of soft silicone, which is prized for its suppleness and smooth, skin-like surface. When handled or manipulated, the material reacts in a way that replicates incredibly realistic sensations with uncanny accuracy, much like human skin when touched. Most notable is one of the doll's most distinctive attributes, its unmatched softness, which imbues the doll with such a human presence. The visage is particularly noteworthy, crafted with precision and enhanced with carefully applied makeup. Subtle details like the subtle blush in the cheeks, the light tint to the lips, and the delicate coloring surrounding the eyes are all hand-painted to maximize the look of reality. Each of these artistic touches adds up to a subtle, expressive look that is visually striking. Peach Crisis Toto is the product of a firm that focuses exclusively on hyper-realist silicone robot dolls, much to the delight of collectors. The firm is dedicated to the use of the finest quality components and focuses as much as possible on personalization. Not only with the inclusion of such attributes as the sensation of extremely soft skin, the look of all natural expressions. Chen Doll. The Chinese robotic firm Shenzhen Fan Art Development developed the extremely realistic woman-shaped robot Chen, a product so realistic that she is frequently termed as almost indistinguishable from an actual human. Chen is a step up in the merging of human appearance with robotics, fusing superior quality material with meticulous craftsmanship. The outer casing of the robot is crafted from the finest grade silicone, which not only offers a smooth, ethereal skin-like surface, but also increased durability and wear resistance. The use of material goes a great way toward making Chen so realistic to look at and touch, and she can therefore comfortably be used for close interaction with humans. Chen measures 158 centimeters tall and weighs about 33 kilograms, and possesses a well-balanced, human-like physique. She is further equipped with a metallic articulating framework, which enables her to move with silky smooth fluidity and replicates the nuances of human body language. Her construction involves very precise details, such as highly defined facial and bodily attributes, with particular attention to finer details, such as implanted eyebrows and eyelashes, together with finely articulated skin textures, which help bring her visual reality close to the highest level. Not only do the attributes improve her looks, but also help make her a more believable, immersive presence. Besides her physical form, Chen can also be outfitted with additional technology that enhances her interactive qualities. The prices of the robot will differ based on the configuration selections and the add-on upgrades, but a middle-line configuration can be purchased for an average of $2,800. After a full 24 hours, one thing is clear. These humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. They're smart, responsive, and eerily lifelike. But among them all, one clearly rose above the rest. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more incredible tech stories just like this.